Do you want to explore the potential of digitalization for your production facility? Then our connected DAPTIQ talk and testing tools are the ideal entry point. They bring many benefits. Increased process reliability thanks to precise measurement results and real-time verification, protection from time-consuming reworks and costly recalls, and reproducible and verifiable quality through digital documentation. DAPTIQ tools have an open interface. This ensures you are remaining flexible and are keeping your options open for the future. The Manoscope 766 DAPTIQ is our electromechanical angle-controlled torque wrench, which can communicate by radio, Bluetooth or cable. The electromechanical trigger combines electronic measurement with the familiar haptic click and slip of a mechanical tool. This is unmistakable for the operator, even in noisy production environments, increasing the integrity of the bolted joint. The tightening results are documented and stored in the system. Our GuideMaster software, which allows you to build your own scalable worker assistance system, is as intuitive as our torque wrenches. The tools are set automatically, and the worker is guided through the process with clear instructions. User errors are virtually eliminated. The ideal, cost-effective addition to your existing workflow, our SmartCheck DAPTIQ tester also provides added security. The test procedure is intuitive. A faulty torque tool can be identified in just a couple of minutes, thus reducing the risk of time-consuming reworks and costly recalls, regardless of the brand of tools being tested. And for a relatively modest outlay, of course, the SmartCheck DAPTIQ is also networked and the test results are documented.